Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. um, this video is just only kind of I just only want to defend myself, guys. um, I don't have choice. I don't have choice that of course I need to defend myself. Sorry if I'm gonna cry while doing this video. By the way, my name is Yeshel and this is my channel. I admit I'm not a perfect person. I do mistake in my life. uh, Not only once, not only twice, not only 3 times. I do a lot of mistakes in my life. But honestly, I've been doing some application. I do live. I do some random application. I answer calls like this. And those apps, since 2022, I'm working in some application. And, I've met a lot of people in those apps. And since 2022, I started, of course, in Popo Live 2022, and then some other apps until now it's 2026. But that time, 2022, uh, I met some people in the apps, and honestly, I do have relationship in the apps. That time, a Filipino, I have some relationship with a Filipino guy, but problem is, uh, that's why it started that I don't want again to do relationship with a Filipino guy through apps, because they, one time, 2 times, uh, they borrowed money on me, because they are my, a relationship online. They borrowed money for me through GCash like this, and I trust them. Then they didn't return to me. That's why it started that I hate you to entertain Filipino guy through application. And that time, I focused to myself. I focused to all application, doing my works, doing my live, answering calls, so that I can pay my bills. For how many years? I stopped doing a relationship with all guys, or with other, like, everything for that year, because I got scammed with two Filipino guy. They borrow money from me and they didn't return. But this story, I didn't tell to anybody. Only now I gonna tell, because I want to clear my name to some other people. Then suddenly, when I started some other apps, or I met a Moroccan guy, and we join apps, and we've been like boyfriends in online, like 2 months. But sad to say, he stopped communicating with me. But before, he's a really good guy. He's sending me a message, he do video call on me, and he's planning to go in Philippines that time. But the problem is too much expensive, the visa, the ticket. And it started that he felt depressed, and he is sick, and he stopped communicating with me. That's the only reason he stopped communicating with me. Because he depressed, that he cannot really go in Philippines, because it's too much expensive. He cannot buy, he cannot process everything, because uh, he doesn't have big salary. That is the problem. And I'm trying to contact her, but he stopped communicating with me. I've been only talking with him for 2 months, but he's a really good guy. He's a Muslim from Morocco, but he's a really good guy. He'd never talked to me anything bad or whatever. And then after that, and then after that, I meet another guy that he's been from Mauritius. Then honestly, I really don't like him. He's the one pushing me to, try to be my girlfriend like this. He's from Mauritius. And then, I've been busy in the apps. I told him I'm busy in the apps. I don't want to, I really don't want. How many times I reject him? Because I am busy in the apps, and I want to earn. I want to earn money to pay my bills. That's why I don't take it seriously about him, because I'm not in love with him. I really don't like him. But the problem is, he really obsessed with me. He really obsessed with me. In that time, I've been with him. He's talking to me like this, but I'm in doing in some apps. I'm talking to you, I'm telling this because I want to clear my name from other people that they really don't know me, but they judge me. And then, uh, when I'm in the other application, other application, I'm working there, then there's a guy, a Norwegian guy, he started playing in my live like this, and I know this guy is also have another Filipina girl. But he's flirting with me like this, so on, he calling me in the live, and calling me in, and that time, because he kept talking to me, we started talking each other like this, so on. But I know that he has also another Filipina girlfriend. But he's not really, he's only fun doing like this. Then he telling me, oh, can you be my girlfriend also? It's just like for fun like this. Okay, then I agree like this. Okay, because he been, we've been agree that, oh, okay, it's only you have another girl like this, and he knows that I also have another guy. Then that time I broke up with the Mauritius guy. I broke up with him because I don't want to lie on him. I told him, sorry, but I really don't like you. I have another guy like this, and he has also other girlfriend, but I mean, for me, I don't want that the same story with him that he has another girl. And then what happened? The Mauritian guy is too much angry with me. He's talking coarse with me, like too much he's angry. But the Norwegian guy, that I've been, it's only like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then I broke up with him also because her other girlfriend uh, uh, discovered about me already. Then he need to choose. Then I told him, I'm not gonna compete to anything. Then I broke up with him. Then the Mauritian guy knows everything about it. Then he started, we talk again another, okay, we try if we're gonna have again. But I told him, I don't really love you. It's just only you love me, but I really don't love you. Because he been crazy, like following me every time, obsessed to me, talking my mother like this, so on. But it's really, honestly, I really don't like him. And then I told him, I don't want to hurt you. And then he started talking to me again. Short story, he pushed himself again to me. Even I really don't like. Okay, okay, you can talk to me like this, you can call. Okay, but I cannot give my heart to you. Okay. Then suddenly, another Indian guy become my friend in my live, because he keep some other naughty guys in the live keep talking bad shit, just too much words against me. He's the one translating it to me, and then he fighting to the other guy, telling me, don't say like this to her, like this. And then we become friends, and then he get my bank account. He sent me money. That time he's not yet my boyfriend, and I didn't demand money. I didn't demand money to anybody. That's why I'm gonna tell everyone that I am not a user. I am not depending other people to support me. That's why I'm doing this video, so that I can clear my name. And then I'm started talking to them, both of them. I'm talking another phone, another him. Oh, I know it's my mistake, it's my fault. Then I told them, the Indian guy knows that there's a Mauritian guy. Then I told the Mauritian guy, I need to stop this everything about you, because I'm telling you before that I really don't like you, I don't love you, but you keep telling me you try, but I really can't. Then I told him I already have a new boyfriend now, and he's Indian guy, and he been fighting for me from other person, because some other person not good. He's the one who depending me, and he's sending me support like this, but I didn't ask. He only sending me every time he has salary. He's sending me automatic in the bank, like only 3,000 like that, but not big, not too much big, because I also doing live, I also doing apps, and I have 6 posts the time, and I have my salary in 1 week is more than the 3,000. I receive salary more than 5,000 a week, 6,000 a week. Oh, how it happened that I gonna use those guy, that I gonna depend from them? That time I've been doing a lot of work in application. I sleep almost like 8 a.m. 6 a.m. I wake up 2. Whole night I've been on the live. All of my friends, people knows that I've been doing like this. I don't depend to anybody. And then what happened? I've been in that guy until like October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months I've been with the Indian guy? And then suddenly he told me that he gonna married Indian, another like this or whatever, another girl like this, and he stopped sending me a message like this so on. And then we don't have communication at all for how many, 1 month more than. Then that time I don't have any idea about him already. I don't have any idea about him. Then I'm talking already in some application, and I met this Canadian guy. And then suddenly I try to, I broke up with the Indian guy, just like, formal broke up. I formal broke up because we don't have formal broke up. I broke up with him and then block him in all application. I block him in all application. And then because I'm starting talking with the Canadian guy, it means it not at the same time. It's not at the same time. It has some kind of, it's not at the same time I've been boyfriend with those guys. And then suddenly, I commit with a Canadian guy. And we've been 9 months. But the problem, in 9 months, I'm not allowed to do live, even in my Popo. All application, I'm not allowed to do live in 9 months. And I have CCTV in my room because he's watching me. He's watching me all the time because I'm not allowed. Because he has a paranoia. He's paranoid. He keep thinking that I am doing something. He keep thinking that I am talking other guy. All my phones, 2 phones is only for him. The other one is for Snapchat. The other one is for WhatsApp or Messenger. That's all in, in the front of me. And the other is the CCTV. For 9 months, that is my situation. He just only sending me like 500 peso in 1 week or sometimes other week. I got broke at the time. I need to loan in GCash loan. I loan GCash loan how many times just to pay my bills. Just to pay my bills that time. Because I'm not allowed to do application during I'm in the Canadian. I don't want to mention their name, but it happened like this. Then suddenly I found out that he's talking with another Filipina girl. He's talking to other Filipina girl and he's sending money to this Filipina girl that have already 3 kids and also a live-in partner. But he has a relationship with this girl. That's why I really felt bad that time. And also why he's treating me so bad. He's too much strict to me that I'm not allowed to do anything while even I'm eating. He keep watching me like this. I need to show everything in my table. If there's another phone like this that is in another apps like this. That is my situation for 9 months with the Canadian guy. And I stay with him because, of course, if I'm in a relationship, of course I love him. I stay with him. I stay. Even if he didn't give me money, I stay. The problem is, if he's angry, he's shouting to me. We've been fighting each other. Too much noisy. Even at the middle of the night, he's shouting at me in the CCTV. I don't defend myself because this is really what happened to me. I'm just only telling those people that you don't know me exactly. This is what happened to my life. That's why don't judge me if you don't know me. And then I broke up with him because I already been too much suffered from it. And he kept telling me, you're not a good person, you need to study more because you don't know how to communicate in English like this. He's telling me like this. He's insulting me a lot. You are a whore like this. You are a whore, a prostitute like this. He's telling me every time when he's angry. That's why I give up. I broke up with him. I didn't broke up with him because he doesn't support anything. No. I broke up with him because he cheating on me and he treated me so bad. That is the reason why I broke up with those guys, with those foreign guys that I have before. Not the reason because they don't have support for me. I don't do a relationship with a guy just only for the money. I love them. I don't go to the relationship because I don't, only that Mauritian guy. I really don't like him. And now he started cursing me. He started following me. How many years already he didn't move on to his life. He didn't move on his life. That's why I'm praying that hope he can move on already, because it's affecting my whole life because of him. Because he keep telling me, you're not gonna be happy. Those boyfriend, you not gonna stay with you. He keep telling that. He keep telling that. He keep telling that you're not gonna be happy like this, like this. He gonna enter in my life. He gonna enter in YouTube, whatever live like this. He gonna spy on me until now. That's why I'm telling you, I'm not really a bad person, her. I'm just only explaining myself because, you know, I don't want, like, somebody gonna judge me, especially you don't know me. I'm not a scammer. I'm not a scammer. I really love a person. I'm not really 100% a perfect person, because I struggle a lot, even in my ex and my ex-husband. I have an ex-husband, but I didn't get anything from all money that I've been spent to them, to the house, whatever I spent to them. I didn't get anything from it when I got separated. Now tell me in my face, how could it happen that I am the one using other people just to support me? I love them just to support me. No, it didn't happen. I want to defend myself because this is the truth. This is the truth. This is the reality about me. If you're gonna judge me, I really don't know. But one thing I know, I really love the person. I used to love a person. And now, my relationship now is struggling. Why? I love this person. I love this guy too much. But he don't trust me. He keep digging all the past about me. He keep telling that I don't really love him. I'm using him because he support me like this, like this. I'm only about his money. I'm only about his support. This is not true. This is not real. And he keep checking all the bad mistake about me like this, all the past, all the like this. Of course, it's hard for me. My family hurt also because it happened like this, that somebody misjudged about me, misjudged about who I am, who really I am. You know, my mistake is only what? Because if I love a person, I really love this person. And this time, I really, really love this person. How many times I gonna cry for him? How many times I really depend myself to him? Just to stay with him with me, so that he can understand who really I am. Because he always judges me in some mistakes. He always like listen to other people. I am not a scammer. I am not using other people. I am not into a relationship just to get support, because I can work for myself. Even in the apps, I can earn from the apps, not depend other people. This is sad for me because why? I celebrating Mansari, third Mansari, but this is the moment that it's really hard for me until now. It's too much pain for me because the person you really love is the person who judging you, misjudge you, have doubts on you, don't trust on you. But I still love him. I give chance to him to realize and to know more about me, because you know, I don't want to waste everything about me and him. Because if I love a person, I gonna love the person. I gonna fight for it. I'm not gonna waste everything. If I still have a chance, I gonna fight for it. I'm just a kind of a person that maybe in your mistake, you're gonna lose me. But at the end of the day, you're gonna regret why you lose me. Because I never did things that can cause trouble in a relationship. I give everything. Even it's too hard. I am the one who always been there and down. I always understand my partner. I am the one who is blinded for everything because I love the person. That's me. That is my weaknesses. That is my weakness if I love a person. I expect like I gonna celebrate Mansari happy with him like this, but you know, I'm still her. I'm still her that, you know, I gonna wait until when you gonna realize who really I am to your life. I gonna wait that, you know, you're gonna understand who I am. I gonna wait that you're gonna realize whatever you're thinking about me is wrong. Because I never did something wrong on you. Whatever in your mind, whatever people gonna tell about me, only God knows, and myself and my family, my friends, they know who I am. And that's the only, you know, that's why I do this video, just to clear my name. That I don't use other people just to have money or whatever. I can work by myself. If I love a person, I really love the person. I'm not gonna love you because of what you have or what you are. I don't care if you have nothing. If I love you, that's it. I really love you. You know. If you are there, if you're watching this video, you know how much I love you. And don't waste that. And don't waste that just because of, you know, of Hershey's, of whatever gossip or whatever uh, uh, false issues about me. You should think how much I love you. You should think how much you love me. Thank you for everyone for watching. God bless. Sorry for, you know, for this video, but I just only want to clear my name. Happy Mansari to you, my love.